Okay guys, you've seen the SF90 when it first arrived on Shmi's video, and since then it's been a few months and I've really gotten to know the car a lot better now. I've driven all the different modes, electric mode, the hybrid mode, performance mode, and qualifying mode. This is the Ferrari package, which is the race package. And then the race package, besides it not having a lift, which is good enough anyways, I haven't scraped it at all going up and down ramps. There's the stripes. The stripe costs about like $50,000 and the whole package is about $90,000. But the package does not come with all the carbon fiber options. The carbon fiber wheels, which are about like $30,000, the other carbon fiber parts, I got all the parts that I can get because I just like carbon fiber. And so the SF90 in a base price is about $600,000. It's the fastest in Ferrari's performance models right now. But with all my package is $800,000. You have the lights here, you have the windshield wipers here, okay? Here you have all the different modes, right? You have electric mode, okay, what's full electric. The whole thing is full electric. You got the hybrid mode, which most likely is on. Okay, you let the computer decide when it's electric, when it's combustion engine. You got the performance mode, which is going to be more combustion engine and more performance. And then you have the qualifying mode, which is more on the track and giving it maximum. It makes me wanna fly, I This hybrid technology as of today, because Ferrari is like 2014, this is 2021, so it's about 6 years that have gone by, 6-7 years. The hybrid technology is definitely more advanced. I can feel it because I have owned both cars and driven it. It's much more advanced, and obviously even in a V8 3 electric engine SF90 is producing 1,000 horsepower. And the efficiency of how when the hybrid kicks in and the combustion engine kicks in. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a drive on all electric mode. This is all electric, so I have to admit the electric mode is not that quick. It's not as what you think. It's super quick on the electric mode. I don't think it works that way for this. So let's say I have it floored right now. I mean, it's not going that fast. It's it's not like Tesla fast. I mean, right here, look, I have it in floored, and that's not setting the world on fire, but that's okay. All right, so let's put it back on the hybrid mode. Let's see what happens. I've noticed the hybrid mode, the combustion engine kicks in when you push it. Like, right, well, it knows you need it, so. Now you feel the acceleration, but it had to be in conjunction with the combustion engine in order to have the full effect happen. It really is strong. I was driving in a Laguna Seca and I was following kind of the pace car, which was a race car driver. And so I was the second in line. I followed his whole line and this car did not squeal at all. And normally other Ferraris you would hear a little squealing, maybe you feel a little bit edgy or it trying hard to follow the race car driver. Now, that's not because of the car. It could be because me, I'm not as good driver as a race car driver. But this car allows me to be as good as the race car driver because it compensates. The computer, everything compensates for my lack of experience, let's say. So I think you guys enjoyed the ride with the SF90. And next week, we're going to drive either the Enzo or the F50. So comment below, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next week.